Salute discipuli. I just wanted to show you an example of how you can create your habitat in slides, and then you can download that slide and put it into Adobe if you want to make it into a video instead of a slide, which is a really good way to do that. And you can put the whole slide in here. So I have a slide open, as you can see here is my video example, and I have this title slide here, but I don't really want to use that because I'm planning to transport it. So the first thing I'm going to do is right click on here, and I'm just going to apply a background. I'm going to choose the blank background so I don't have anything in my way, so I can put that out of there. Now for a slide, if you've watched the video that shows you how to insert transparent backgrounds into a drawing, which you have to use on docs, on slides you don't have to. So you can just kind of put a background. So if I go up here to the background and I'm going to choose an image, okay, and you can go through a Google image search. This doesn't have to be transparent, so you can search anything. So I'm going to search rainforest so that this picture background, so this picture looks like the one in the example on the assignment. Let's see if I can find the same picture or something similar. This one's close, so I'm going to go ahead and click that, and I'm going to insert it as a background, and I'm going to hit, once it's in there, I'm going to hit done. You can see I have my background in here, okay? So the next thing I want to do is I want to insert the image. Now you can go through the image search and search, but I find that it doesn't always bring up the best, and you can't really search transparent back there. So if I go to a slide and I click, if I go to a Google page and I click images, okay, and I search a peacock, okay, and that's going to give me the images, and then I'm going to go to settings right here. No, excuse me, tools right here, and I'm going to go to the color, and I'm going to choose transparent, which will give me any transparent picture of the word peacock. And I had to look for one. I think this is the one I used in my video, which looks really interesting. Yeah, see the background right here, like I showed in the other video. You have this background here that gives you checkerboard, white and gray. That's usually transparent. So I'm going to right click on that. I'm going to copy the image. And I'm going to go back here, and then I'm just going to insert my image into the picture, and then I can move him around until he's faced there. And thus I have my habitat. Now, if I want to go ahead and, you can edit in an Adobe slide, or you can do it in here. You can just do it all in here. So you could put the captions here. So I could insert a text box right here. And it might be a little harder to see, so you kind of have to think about, you might want, and I'm going to just type in here so that it's here and I don't lose the text box. You might want white, because white is going to show up on the screen a little bit better. And I'm going to put Pawo. Oops, the white did not show up there. Okay, let's go back to that. I'm going to put Pavo est Pedro. So my Pavo is named Pedro. Okay, so my peacock is Pedro. All right, and you can use the regular sentences that I've given you here. And maybe I don't like this Arial, so I want to go up here and I want to find something in my large thing here. And so how about, no, that's not good. How about rock salt? There's a nice one. And I'm going to make it a little bit bigger. And Padre es Pedro. So maybe I put the name there, and that gives me the Latin name and the name of the animal. And then I can do my sentences underneath or something like that. So here I have a slide. So let's just take this as what it is. You can add whatever else you want to the slide. You can put it in here. So here I have my slide. Now let's say that I want to add this to a video thing, and I want to do like Adobe. So Adobe doesn't allow you just to take anything from a slide and put it in there. You have to save it. So what I did is I went to my file button. I have the slide clicked. No, I don't want that. I have the slide clicked here, and I go to download, and I say JPEG image current slide. And so that's going to download that into wherever it is that I am. And then I can open Adobe. I can go to Adobe Spark. Spark here. And we'll log in. I think I'm under my husband's account here, so just bear with me here. Oh, not logged in. So let's sign in, okay? And you can just sign in with your Google account. I'm going to sign in with mine. Give it a second here. I don't have the upgraded version. I usually use my husband's because he does. But you can just create a project, and you want to create a video or a web page. It'll let you do the web page here too. So if you want to do the web page, you can do it that way. And you can just title it whatever it is, Wibarium, whatever your title of your Wibarium. Okay. So I'm just going to call it Wibarium. You guys could be a little more creative. You should be a little more creative. Start from scratch. Okay, I'm going to close that. I don't need that. And, you know, you can have a theme. You can pick whatever theme. It just matters the color here. But basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to hit photo. I'm going to hit upload a photo. I'm going to find it wherever it is, which is right here. You might change the name for each slide, which you can do. And I'm going to hit open. And ta-da! It's in here. And you can see it. And then if you want to go over to layout, you can add a caption. Okay? And so then you can write your other sentences over it in the caption, like Pavo. Let's take a look. Text here. Let's go. Pavo est Kairula Ruleus et Veridis. Now, you can do a lot of different things with this. For instance, you could just leave this blank as the first slide. So if I copy this here, so I'll type it again. You could just leave this blank, or you could delete it, right? And you could do this first, and then you could just hit down here and hit duplicate, and so you get the exact same slide. And then you could put the text for your sentence in there, and you've got your and then you could, you know, copy it again and put your new sentence in it. So there's a lot you can do if you want to make the video, and it allows you to voice over. So if you want to do a description or you want to do music, there's music here. You can pick all different kinds of stuff. So if you have any questions about how you do this, please contact me. You have the week to finish the assignment. It's due on the 21st. If you can get it in earlier, I would appreciate it. It would help me with the grading to get that in. And this will be your final project. So this will be what goes under your final exam. So please get that turned in and have a great day. Walete.